Yellow-billed cuckoo in our cherry tree at our new home. Started a list of birds on our property, and boy, there's a bunch. See if I can get a better angle on this one. Got a red-bellied woodpecker in here in the backyard. I was wondering if I might have a nest there, but I don't think so. And a couple of mockingbirds. Or is that a phoebe maybe? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that's a phoebe. The other one was a mockingbird. Lizard-tailed flycatcher likes this post. It's on the boundary of our property and the neighbors. Here's a little chipping sparrow. We've got quite a few of those around here. And here's a fish crow. And bluebirds. I was hearing chimney swifts earlier and saw 4 of them flying around. Scarlet tanager in our cherry tree in our front yard. I was hearing it, and finally I got to see it. It's eating these cherries. They're pretty tasty. They're very small and they're kind of astringent, but they're pretty good. They're very dark. That's so cool.